Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make a simple elastic waist skirt. So for this skirt you'll need two measurements, your waist and your skirt length. You're going to measure your waist 1.5, which is 1.5 times, and you're going to cut that out. So for me I'm using the whole width of the fabric, which is 60 inches, and I just fold it in four like this. And I'm gonna use 1-inch elastic. I'm using this 1-inch elastic. So from the top of the fabric, I'm gonna measure 1.5 inches for the elastic channel. And I'm gonna draw a straight line across. Like this. So after I do that, I'm gonna measure the skirt length. So I'm gonna use 32 inch. I have 1 yard of fabric here, so I'm using 32 inch. From that line I'm gonna measure 32 inches for the skirt length. And I'm gonna make a mark. And I'm also gonna measure 1 inch for the hem allowance, which is 33 inch. And I'm making a mark there also. So I'm gonna draw a straight line across on both marks. And I'm gonna cut off the excess piece. So let's get started sewing the skirt. So the first thing I'm gonna do is open the fabric and stitch it on both sides. So you can see this is the self edge that I cut off, the pretty sides together. So I'm gonna stitch it 1/2 inch all the way down. So 1/2 inch. So for the channel of the elastic, I'm going to measure 1 inch. So I'm going to fold like this and then like this again. So I have 1 inch here. I want to make sure that it's going to pass through my casing. And I'm going to put a pin here. So I'm going to measure the same amount. I'm going to start here. So I'm going to measure the same amount all the way around. So I'm going to start by stitching 1 inch all around to make the elastic casing. So I'm measuring as I stitch along. One inch. One inch. And you want to leave like 1 inch gap so that you can put the elastic in. So this is the case, and you're going to thread your elastic through the casing. So this is elastic, and I'm going to put the pin in here. So I put the pin on the elastic like this. This is the elastic, and this is the casing that we just stitched. So I'm just going to put the elastic in the opening like this. And I'm going to thread it in there. making sure it's straight. So I went ahead and I put the elastic, and you see it's flat. So make sure that the elastic is flat, and we're gonna hem the bottom of the skirt. So I'm gonna put a 1/2 inch hem at the bottom.